My name is Station. Don't block the camera. My name is Station. What's your name?
Elaine.
Alright, Elaine. Talk what I'm doing, Station. Talk
Okay.
what I'm doing.
So, Station was walking by. We were planting here with the kids, and he seemed very interested. So, I kind of like pulled him in. He told me to get him 3 trees, and here he is.
For the love of nature.
For the love of nature. Beautifying the Bronx River. Planted native trees and shrubs. The station's doing his thing. Helping revitalize the oxygen in the Bronx. These kids could stop getting all this asthma.
We are the Bronx East Park. Yeah, I love nature.
I think that's good, Station.
Think it's good?
Yeah, that's deep enough. You plant before?
Yes, I did.
Okay.
In my country,
Well, where's that?
Trinidad,
Okay.
for proper business. We must plant the soil. How this shit comes out.
So,
How you get this
you're doing it the right way. You know what? It's been in the pot for a long time, so the roots kind of like,
stuck?
they stuck to the bottom. But you're doing good. It's almost out. Want me to help you pull it?
Yes, no. At least let me get one.
Okay.
Remember where you planted, come back and visit it. Okay?
So that's a dogwood you're planting.
A dogwood?
This is a sycamore you planted.
This is what?
That's a dogwood.
A dogwood?
And that is a sycamore.
A dogwood. So this is man best wood in here. A dogwood, man best friend. So I just plant dogwood here.
That's perfect.
Alright, next one, mama.
Next one.
Keep focus on me.
Oh man, I like it. I like it. Oh, that's a special one.
What one is this? Which one is this, mama?
That's the dogwood.
Another dogwood?
Yes.
So how much dogwood I will have?
You have 2 dogwood and
Plus my dogwood?
2 dogwood and 1 box elder. So that next one you're doing, that's a box elder.
Oh my God.
he wants to do tree. That's right, Station. You're adding to nature. You're doing it for nature.
For the love of nature.
For the love of nature.
I just love the idea of replenishing the earth.
Yes. And then with the future, right? With the kids. It's our future.
Yeah, the damage in the ozone layer. So we had to come planters and plant
We gotta.
back. Oh,
Station, thank you so much.
it has been a hard day's work. I work from sun up to sundown. God bless, all because of nature.
Good. Nice work. Thank you.
Bless you, sweetheart.
Bless you too.
What's your name again?
Elaine.
Where you from?
Right here in the Bronx.
At Boogie Down Bronx?
Boogie Down Bronx, born and raised.
God bless.
Thank you. And come back and visit us. We're here. all the
What's
time.
your number?
Call, let me give you my card. I'll give you my business card.
What's up, my brother? What's your name?
Dennis.
Dennis?
Yeah, how you doing?
I'm great. I'm Anthony.
Nice to meet you, Anthony.
Pleased to meet you. If one day you see my face on Facebook, be my friend.
You got it, kid.
I'm Anthony O'Brien on the Facebook. Oh yes. All the kids working. They put on gloves in America to do gardening, you know. But I used to do that too because I got soft hands. Yes. Wonderful job. Kids, somebody is thinking about the meat.
Why can I plant this?
What's up, man? Yeah, yeah. What you say?
I like it the way you plant that tree.
You like the way I plant that tree? I wish I was planting a mango tree that next week I could have climbed it.
Beautiful. Yeah, man.
What can I plant this tree?
Oh, that's mine.
How are you, sweetheart?
How are you?
I'm great. How are you enjoying what you're doing?
Good, that's good.
How much trees you plant already? Too many to count?
Too many to count.
Better we plant some banana trees. Next week we get fig. Next week we get fig we could eat. And saltfish too with ackee. Saltfish and ackee with...
Both for it.
I know you Puerto Rican. You love your yuca. You love your yuca.
I like the yuca, mango, banana. Batata,
Oh, here's another one. What's the plate? What's the plate?
See now.
Huh? You plan a lot?
tree will be lit right now.
All right, sweetheart. Come back and check your offspring. See if they're doing well. At least one thing you wouldn't have to bring and water them. Because all your trees are planted by the river, the Bronx. Well watered. Have a blessed day, everybody.
Thank you. Same to you.
If only here tomorrow, I may see you all.
Okay.
Bye-bye.